Once you've installed Google FusionTables into your drive, it's easy to just create a new Fusion table. Now, there are two ways that you can import data into your Fusion table. One is by uploading a file from your computer, or if you have a Google spreadsheet that already has the information, as I have, you can import it directly from the Google spreadsheet. I've given you the link to this exact spreadsheet that we're working with. The first thing that we notice is the column names are in row 1, which is absolutely correct. We hit next. We can call this, keep this name. We can attribute the data to the South African government. At this point, let's not allow export of the data, and we can actually put a link into the health link, but let's just finish this for now and just so that I can start showing you what is there and available. Okay, it's now loaded our data. The highlighted things means that it can be geocoded based on different information. In this case, we know that this is the geocoded information, two-column location, latitude, and longitude. So I think that we're pretty okay with that. And in fact, if we go to this, automatically created a map for us, so we didn't even have to do anything. It knew exactly what we wanted to do. If we wanted to start again, we could actually add a new map, and we would be exactly in the same position. So we have the map, and because we have the latitude and longitude information, we have all of it in there right away. What we can do is we can change it so that it mouses over on the window and shows some different information. Now we don't need result number. We can keep the source page URL. The clinic name is probably good. The services address. Let's take away the latitude and longitude for the moment. Let's keep the contact. We don't need the province, and this is duplicating information that already exists. Now let's slightly change this. Oh, this is because we're at automatic. So let's go to custom here. And let's just make this nice and bold as it is. Or let's make this a big heading. So let's call it an H2 tag, which just means that it's a big heading in HTML. And instead of actually displaying the source URL, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the clinic name itself into a URL. So I'm just copying that bit of information above and taking away the original from there. So let's hit save. And you can now see that that has the heading, and it has the link and the services address, etc. So why don't we go ahead and click done, and we can see that all of that information is right there and available, and we can zoom in. And what's also very useful about this is what we can do is, you see here in this corner, we can actually apply a filter. And I want to apply a filter based on the province, just so we can start checking a little bit as to whether or not everything is accurate. Okay, so we have Eastern Cape. That looks pretty good, although it looks to me like there's a clinic certainly here that says that it's in the Eastern Cape, but that certainly is not currently located in that, so the latitude and longitude are incorrect. It starts showing us where we have some improper coding in our data, and we can do the same. We can check on Free State. Does Free State, that looks like it's all pretty much within Free State. Gauteng, let's see. Oh, it looks like there are a couple here and one there. So what we would start doing is we could use this to actually start figuring out, okay, which clinics we think actually have the incorrect latitude and longitude in there. And that's something that the way that that website is currently constructed, we would never be able to find out. But this, we can actually go ahead and we can publish this map. It's as easy as clicking publish and then getting a link, and we can embed that straight onto any website and people are able to access it. Easy as that.